Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know we are discussing about Microsoft PowerPoint and this is second part. In first part we discussed the basic of Microsoft PowerPoint. So today in this video we will discuss how to open and save a PowerPoint presentation. So without wasting any time, let's start. To create a new presentation, you just have to click on File tab. After clicking on File tab, you will see this view. This view is known as Backstage view. On Backstage view, in new option, you will see different templates. So you can choose any template. After choosing the particular template, click on the Create tab. So it will open your template as your presentation. You can also search for any template as per your requirement. As you can see, there is an option search for online templates and themes. In this option you can search any online template or you can select any template by these given templates options. It is showing different options. Now I am going to search a template of teacher. So it will show you different result. Now I am going to choose this one. Now simply click on create option. So it will create a by default presentation for you. You can make some changes in this presentation and you can also add your own presentation. So to open or add a new presentation, your own presentation, you have to click on the open option. After clicking on open, it is showing some recent presentations. So you can simply select any one of them. It is also showing an option of SkyDrive. So it means you can choose any presentation from SkyDrive. Now there are some options by which you can pin your presentation. So after pinning the presentation, it will show you that particular presentation every time when you will click on open option. So now this time I am going to choose a presentation from my computer. So after clicking on computer option, it will show you recent functions. So you can browse your presentation, choose a presentation and click on open. So it will open that particular presentation. So now we will learn how to save your presentation in your computer system or on OneDrive. So this is the same Backstage view, but this time we will click on save option. It is showing two different options. First one is save and second one is save as. So you can save your file by these options and there is one more option by which you can save your file more quicker. So to save your presentation, on quick access toolbar, there is an option to save a file. So if you will click on this option, it will directly open your save as window. So to save your file, it is showing some options like you can save it in your computer, you can save it on OneDrive. So I am going to click on browse option. So it will show you all the locations. So simply type any name for your presentation and choose a particular place and click save. So it will save our presentation at that particular place. If you want to save your presentation more quickly, you can choose a shortcut command which is Ctrl plus S. By using Ctrl plus S, you can directly save your PowerPoint presentation. Or the other option is of Backstage view. So after clicking on file tab, it is showing save as option. Save as option is basically used for saving your presentation with any other name. You can make a duplicate copy of a presentation by using save as option. After clicking on save as option, you have to save it just like we saved before. There is one more option. You can save your file as a PDF format. To save your file as a PDF file, you just have to click on export option. After clicking on export option, it will show you this type of interface. As you can see, it is showing create PDF option. So whenever you will click on this option, so you can save your file as a PDF format. So I hope you will like this video. So that is it for today, students. Stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much.